Hello everyone, it's R here. Today we're exploring 10 untapped AI business ideas that are true blue ocean opportunities, just waiting for someone with the right vision. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with AI-powered personal health coaches. Current apps track data, but they don't understand the why behind your habits. Imagine an AI that integrates data from your fitness tracker, calendar, sleep monitor, and mood journal to provide personalized guidance. It learns your patterns and motivations, offering proactive suggestions like mindfulness exercises before a big meeting or recipe ideas based on your health goals. This isn't just another app, it's a personalized wellness journey. The target market is huge, busy professionals and anyone overwhelmed by generic health advice. Success hinges on the AI's personalization engine and user interface. By focusing on the why behind health decisions, you're creating a new category of digital wellness. You're not just building another fitness app, you're creating a true partner in health. This is about moving from passive data tracking to active, intelligent intervention. You're selling a personalized wellness journey. Our second idea is automated legal research assistance. Lawyers spend countless hours sifting through case law, creating a barrier to affordable legal services. Imagine an AI platform designed for legal professionals that understands legal concepts and context. It scans documents to identify relevant precedents and even analyzes judicial history. This isn't about replacing lawyers, it's about augmenting them, freeing them from research drudgery. The business model is a B2B subscription, leveling the playing field for small to medium-sized law firms. You're selling speed, efficiency, and a competitive edge. Let's shift gears to local news. Local newspapers are shutting down, creating news deserts. An AI-driven local news aggregator could fill this void. It scours the internet for information relevant to a specific area, transforming raw data into a coherent local news source. The business model could be a freemium subscription supported by local advertising. This business rebuilds community connection and supports local economies. You're creating a digital town square. The competitive advantage lies in the AI's ability to understand hyperlocal data. You're providing a vital service deeply missed by millions. Let's talk about small retail businesses and their inventory challenges. Large corporations have sophisticated systems. Small businesses have spreadsheets. An AI-powered smart inventory management system could transform this. It connects to the retailer's point-of-sale system, analyzing sales data and predicting demand. The AI integrates external data sources to forecast demand accurately. The business model is a simple SaaS subscription, offset by savings from reduced waste. You're democratizing access to powerful technology. Your marketing message: stop guessing, start selling. You're an indispensable partner in their success. You're directly helping small businesses compete and thrive. Let's move into the kitchen with AI-based custom recipe generators. This AI is a true culinary assistant using object recognition to identify ingredients. It creates unique recipes based on available ingredients and dietary preferences. The business model could be multifaceted, with a free version supported by ads and a premium subscription offering advanced features. You're reducing food waste and empowering creativity in the kitchen. You're giving people back time and saving them money. It's a practical application of AI that solves a universal problem. It's incredibly sticky and shareable. Education is ripe for AI disruption, especially in niche subjects. A virtual AI tutor for niche subjects could provide affordable, expert tutoring. The AI is trained on a massive dataset for a specific domain, offering personalized learning paths. The business model is a subscription service with users subscribing to individual subject tutors. You're democratizing expertise and making lifelong learning accessible. You're selling mastery, not just information. You're creating a powerful brand and a loyal user base. You're making learning in any field imaginable an accessible reality. Mental wellness is crucial, and journaling is a powerful tool. An AI-powered mental health journal offers a smart, private space for self-reflection. The AI identifies patterns over time, offering insights and personalized prompts. The business model is a subscription prioritizing privacy with data stored locally. You're selling a safe, intelligent tool for self-improvement. You're helping people build resilience and emotional awareness. You're providing a supportive, non-intrusive journaling experience. You're empowering users to gain real insight from their journaling practice. The podcasting world faces a bottleneck: editing. An automated podcast editing service could solve this. The AI performs editing tasks automatically, removing filler words and balancing audio levels. The business model is a tiered subscription or pay-per-episode service. You're selling time, giving creators back hours to focus on content. You're positioning yourself as the go-to solution for fast, affordable podcast editing. You're an indispensable tool in the creator economy. You're solving a real expensive problem for a growing market. Let's head to the fields with an AI-driven sustainable farming advisor. This AI acts as an expert agronomist, using data to provide actionable recommendations. It helps with long-term planning, promoting sustainable practices. The business model is a subscription service tailored to farm size. You're increasing a farmer's profitability and promoting soil health. You're aligning profit with purpose, building a resilient food system. You're providing a service that directly impacts a farmer's bottom line. You're helping farmers become better stewards of the land. Our final idea is an AI-powered personal finance planner. This AI democratizes financial wellness, offering a holistic financial partner. It provides proactive, personalized guidance, finding opportunities to save money. The business model is a low-cost monthly subscription. You're selling financial peace of mind and a clear path out of debt. You're empowering people to take control of their future. You're making expert financial guidance accessible and affordable. You're providing a roadmap to achieving life goals. You're improving financial health for millions. You're making a massive impact on everyday lives. And there you have it, 10 untapped AI business ideas that solve real-world problems. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey. I'll see you in the next one.